With the launch of the Gran Tenku sightseeing train in April, Nankai Electric Railway aims to turn the journey between Osaka and UNESCO World Heritage Site Mt Koya into an experience of its own. The new Gran Tenku train picks up from the previous Tenku service, which ended in March, transporting passengers between contrasting worlds. In around 90 minutes, travellers are taken from ground level and the colourful chaos of Osaka's busy Namba district to the mountaintop temple town of Koyasan in Wakayama Prefecture, where monks have been practising a form of esoteric Buddhism for around 1,200 years. The Tenku in the train name refers to the vast expanse of sky or the heavens, a nod to sacred Koyasan at an altitude of around 900 metres. 2 round-trip services depart from Nankai Namba station daily. Travellers can experience Osaka's dining and entertainment options nearby, including at the 108-metre Tsutenkaku Tower and surrounding retro Shinsekai district south of the station. Once the site of a theme park established to satisfy an appetite in Japan for Western styles in the early 20th century. There's even opportunity for worship here, at the feet of Bilikan-san, a deity of good fortune, on Tsutenkaku's observation deck. In the evenings, partygoers flock to the popular nightlife district of Dotonbori, north of Nankai Namba Station. The first Gran Tenku train of the day departs at 9 a.m. from Nankai Namba's Platform 0. The 4-carriage train includes 3 passenger cars and a lobby lounge car with a service counter where drinks, snacks and light meals are available. In car number 4, premium grand seat sofas and fine dining are among the features that make the Gran Tenku a first-of-its-kind luxury sightseeing train for Nankai Electric Railway, as the operator aimed to bring added value to journeys to and from Mt Koya.
こちらの4号車はとっておきの個室の空間になっておりまして、グランシートが3席、そして一番奥はグランシートプラスというこの列車のたった1席しかないプレミアムなお席4席でできてます。
Throughout the train, design elements inspired by craft traditions from areas along the Nankai Koya line bring local flavour to the onboard experience.
この電車は大阪の伝統工芸、今後ろにある大阪ランマーという大阪の伝統工芸だったり、真田紐という大阪の伝統工芸をふんだんに使った列車です。そしてお料理にも大阪の地元の食材を、さまざまな食材をたくさん使っているメニューになってます。
With the launch of the Gran Tenku, Nankai Electric Railway is once again serving meals on board one of its trains for the first time in around 100 years. All passengers are welcome to visit the service counter in Car 3 for drinks and light meals, as well as a commemorative stamp and photo. For passengers in Car 4's Grand seats and Grand Plus seats, dining plans vary according to departure time, covering breakfast, lunch and even afternoon tea, with menus featuring ingredients local to Osaka and Wakayama.
こちら名刺でございます。こちらの名刺なんですけれども、和歌山の熊野酒造さんが周南勾配を使用して作っている名酒でございます。非常に甘くて飲みやすいのが特徴で、お料理とも大変合うので飲んでみてください。
very sweet, very drinkable, and matches today's bento very nicely. That's fantastic, that's really good. This is the life. Fine food, nice drink, and some beautiful scenery out there as well. Climbing the rugged mountain terrain on its approach to Koyasan, the Gran Tenku makes a brief stop at one of the rural stations on the upper sections of the line. Passengers get out to stretch their legs and take photos of the train exterior, which includes design elements inspired by plants and flowers that grow on Mt Koya. Everyone is careful not to hang around for too long though, although staff make sure all passengers are accounted for before the train rolls out. A stiff climb awaits should anyone be left behind. The Gran Tenku terminates at Gokurakubashi Station, the end of the Nankai Koya railway line. The completion of a cable car service in 1930 brought the line and worshippers ever closer to Koyasan's temples and lodgings. Today, bus services complete the journey. Remote, serene, and feeling a world away from downtown Osaka, World Heritage listed Koyasan was established as the site for a monastery complex by Japanese Buddhist monk Kukai, also known as Kobo Daishi, around 1,200 years ago. Today, Koyasan's 117 temples, home to between 400 and 500 monks, make up the headquarters of the Shingon school of esoteric Buddhism, which Kukai brought to Japan from China in the early 9th century. According to Koyasan's Kongobuji head temple, esoteric Buddhist practice involves confronting both the natural world and one's own self and coming to a deeper understanding about the essence of life. Located on a plane capable of supporting a community, yet deep in the mountains and surrounded by nature, resident monks believe that Koyasan was thought by its founder to be a place suitable for just such a practice. Danjo Garan and Okuno-in are considered the two most important sites in Koyasan. At the western end of town, Danjo Garan is where the initial construction of a monastic complex began here, and is where monks continue to train and hold services today. According to Kongobuji head temple, Garan is derived from a Sanskrit word, originally meaning a forested place where Buddhist monks gather and train. At the eastern end of town is the sacred site of Okuno-in, the location of Kukai's mausoleum. Sheltered by towering cedar trees, pathways through the site are lined with over 200,000 grave markers and stone monuments. Many of the grave markers feature 5 layers of stones, representing the 5 elements that make up the physical world of Buddhism: earth, water, fire, wind, and space. Despite being a site revered by Japanese Buddhists, people of all religious denominations make pilgrimages to Okuno-in. Monks at the Kongobuji head temple from April strengthened their efforts to communicate to visitors that Koyasan remains a place of worship. Leaflets and signs, including at locations like Okuno-in, offer guidance on how to worship according to Buddhist tradition and how to visit sites in a respectful manner, including advice on appropriate clothing. Over 50 of the temples at Koyasan offer lodgings known as shukubo, which were originally arranged for pilgrims and worshippers. Today, they offer the chance for overnight guests to experience the rhythms of temple life in varying degrees of comfort. Ekuin Temple, near to Okuno-in, is thought to date back some 1,200 years. Today, rooms here range from compact Japanese style to luxury suites, including the special Gachirin luxury suite room.
こちらがラグジュアリースイートルームガチリンでございます。
Covering 100 square meters, the Gachirin suite includes a spacious bedroom, private semi-open-air bath and garden, and an oversized work of art. After checking in, guests at Ekuin, as well as visitors, can join a late afternoon session of Ajikan, a form of meditation practiced in Shingon Buddhism.
So as you swing your body, you can make it.
Each morning at Ekuin, prayers are offered in the temple's main hall, where Kobo Daishi is among the enshrined deities. After prayers, in the separate Bishamondo hall, Ekuin's chief priest leads a Goma fire ritual.
このゴマの炎自体が、仏様の知恵を表しておりまして、で我々こう生きておりますとやはりこう汚れだったり煩悩であったり、こう悪いものがね体にこのどうしても発生してしまうんですけれども、その知恵の炎を持ってこう罪とか、悪いものを焼き尽くして心を清浄な清らかな状態にして我々のその、例えばご祈願なので、家内安全とか身体健全とかそういった皆様のね、願いを祈る儀式でございます。
The fire burns out, and with it our impurities, according to Kukai's school of Buddhism. And while it might mark the end of a stay in Koyasan, the journey continues on the return to Osaka.